Hi, Earth Science students. I'm Mrs. Abel, and I'm excited to be having you in my class for this year. Um, and I wanted to kind of touch base and give you a little tour of our virtual classroom. I was planning to do this in person for most of you, but since we can't, we're going to make the best of it. This is what you'll see when you click on my Canvas course, and I know many of you are really familiar with Canvas. What's a little bit different is this kind of classroom feel that I have developed. And this will be up every week that you log on to Canvas. I'll keep it updated. And on this whiteboard is kind of the expectations or the what to expect for the week. And I'll change it up every week, and so you can click here and navigate back to previous weeks. The current week will always be up, but you can always know I'll have week of October 1st or whatever on there. And so for this week, I'm welcoming you to Earth Science, and we're going to do a couple get to know you activities. So not too heavy on the content, really trying to dig into who we are as people and what that means for what our class will look like, because you will kind of drive what we do in class. So we're going to start out with a Summer Stories Flipgrid, and then a get to know you activity will be next. These are live links, and you can click on them and it'll take you right to the assignment. In this case, it sends you right to Flipgrid. And then on this Get to Know You activity, it actually takes you to assignment in Canvas. I will be having class, and our class time is the beginning of the day, so the first like 45 minutes, 8 to about 8:45, 8:50. And that's the most reliable time for you to get a hold of me. We are sticking to our class schedules this year for these 2 weeks of remote learning, mostly to make sure that we're not overlapping and scheduling kids on top of each other, because that can be really difficult. So the best time for you to get a hold of me for your class is during your class time. That being said, it doesn't mean I'm going to not answer questions or turn you away if you come at any other time. I understand we have all sorts of circumstances. We're living in all sorts of different conditions that dictate when we can do school and whatnot. So I'm available when you need me to be. I need you to communicate that to me in advance. Don't wait, because I can help problem solve. I just need to know your problems. So we're in this together, and I'm going to help take care of you. I'm available in a Google Meet all day. So you can join. It's the same link for all of my classes. It's my classroom. It's like you were walking in my door. Sometimes I might be teaching class, and I might need to say, hey, so-and-so, I need you to, wait 5 minutes, or give me 10, come back. Or I might not have anybody in my classroom at that time, and I'm like, hey, come on in, let's chat, how can I help you? And it doesn't have to be school-related always, because I'm here for you. So you can click on me to get to that, or you can go into modules, and I'll have a link posted. So this is the home page, and that's what it'll look like, but there are modules here to the side that house our other information. And so this is my Google Meet link. You can go to that. Here's the Getting to Know You activity. Here's my syllabus. And here's kind of the welcome, get started, where this video is housed. And kind of some other important information. I will build modules so that you will see what we're in, but I also will be providing a week at a glance for every week, so you know what's expected of you, what you need to accomplish that week, and how I'm going to communicate with you too. Let's see. I'm available. Email is a great way. You can call me. 776-9448 is my classroom phone. But if you want to make sure that I'm there, send me an email and I can call you right away. Leave a message, because sometimes I might not be able to answer it or whatever, but I can see that you've emailed or called me through my email. So even if it's after hours and it's something that's kind of important, if you left me a message, I can see it on my phone, and my personal cell phone, and I could call you back if need be. But that's not kind of the best way to get a hold of me. Typically, we're sticking to school hours. All right. So there's a couple assignments due this week. I'd like you to tackle them. It's just some get to know you, so not too hard. Stay on top of it. Make sure you're communicating with all your teachers. We are here to help you out. We miss you so much, and we can't wait till we can be in person. Thank you for checking your email, and I will see you soon.